Welcome to Bitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking again about SubTerra Project and why I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong. I told you guys you can already buy this token on PancakeSwap, but you cannot. You will find it, but it is not available right now to swap it or to buy it. But it will be available on DX sale next week. So guys, the pre-sale starts next week on DX sale. Please don't forget to sign in. Please don't forget to be a part of this project, and I want to show you why it is a good project. First of all, they built doomsday bunkers. So the world is getting more and more crazy, more and more nuts, and it is always good to have a place where you can hide or just being safe and not alone, because they are building doomsday cities, and it is important to know that this project is not just a fairy tale. Yes, it is proven by solid proof. The KYC is doing solid proof. So guys, they are being watched from others also. So you have here the highest security what is possible if you invest in this project. It is a real project. It is a revolutionary concept and one of a kind vision. If you are on their website subterraproject.info, they have a small video about it, what they are doing. They explain it. And yes, here's some facts. They want to make easy integration and versatility. The core idea is to create a place where everything inside is carefully built and works seamlessly. And if you want to build one of these underground cities, you have to do it autonomous. That means you must provide the food, the resources, the electricity, and all these stuffs by yourself. Real data analytics of potential disaster. SubTerra will create a data center, a hub, where the main focus will be to acknowledge, assess, and mitigate in real time all the potential unfortunate disasters which might occur at any given time. And for sure, maximize potential through scalability. SubTerra will focus on bringing value to the project rather than quick profits. And this is important, guys. This is a project and not just a pump and dump thing, right? We will have systems in place capable to enable and provide a consistent, sustainable, attractive, and ever-growing product. Building a sustainable project. Main focus will be in trying to implement measures to minimize energy, water, and food consumption, with renewable energy recycling being a top agenda. And this is important. You see, these guys, they are thinking about what they are doing. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. And yes, you can read here many things by yourself. For example, it is a very, very early project, guys. This is important to understand. They have a Twitter account, yes, with 144 followers. They have a Telegram group, and you find this link at the bottom of the website, and 20 members right now. So it is a very early project, but it is a very sustainable and good project because they have a solution what others not have. They build up this whole project with investors on the blockchain, with the blockchain. They integrate the blockchain, and maybe they will use this blockchain also in future in the underground cities. Why not? The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Anonymous. And you can read here their vision on the website. And yes, they have also a white paper, guys. You can find this on their website. It is a 12-sider, and they are also writing something about their tokens, tokenomics, 45% in the pre-sale. So on DX sale next week, this token is available. Don't forget, on DX sale, just write it down in your calendar. Next week it will be available. 45% in the pre-sale, and this is, I mean, guys, this is an early bird, okay? And if you are one of the first, you make some huge profits if this token get listed. After it get listed on CoinGecko, on CoinMarketCap, on maybe some trading platforms. And yes, you know what happened then. Then you have an easily 100x or 1000x of your investments. 1000x return back of an investment is always a nice day, right? By failing to prepare, you are prepared to fail. Benjamin Franklin. And here you can read again their solutions, why they are better than others, why this project will be successful, because it is going with the future. It uses the blockchain technology, and with the blockchain you create something people can use, right? Not only some data, not only some promises. No, they are building this underground cities. And if you look how, if you just type in on Google underground cities, you can see in ancient times people already built underground cities, because there was always a time, a doomsday time, and people were happy to have this kind of underground cities. And it is a need. It is something people need and can use. And they create it with the digital world into the real world. And this is something SubTerra Project is doing. Take the technology, use the technology what is now, and bring it into the real world where we have to live, right? Because we are living in the real world. And there's no virtual reality or something else which can help you out of your real world if something bad happens around you. Then you want to stay safe in one of these underground cities. And this is exactly what they are doing with SubTerra Project. So please join them on Telegram. It will help a lot to push this project forward. It will help a lot to push it not only forward. The more people going into the project, the more cheaper this underground, I want to say, living rooms or apartments or whatever you call it. People, the more people invest, the more cheaper these apartments are one day. And maybe every one of us can have one day a SubTerra Project apartment. Why not, guys? Why not? Everyone was laughing about Tesla, and now he's a big player on the market. Everyone was laughing about Shiba Inu, and now everyone is talking about them. So why not SubTerra Project? Let me know what you think about this project down into the comments. Leave me a like and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. And for sure, SubTerra Project, we will follow you up, guys. See you next video. Wish you the very best profits, guys, and see you later, alligator. Bye.